Good day everyone! Fluid mechanics and hydraulics wherein magsasagot tayo ng mga sample problems. And here is the first topic, properties of fluid, kung saan magsasagot tayo ng sample problems. So here is the sample problem number 1. Let's read first. Calculate the approximate depression of mercury at 20 degrees Celsius in a capillary tube of radius 1.5 mm. Surface tension for mercury is 0.514 Newton per meter at 20 degrees, and its specific weight is 133.1 kilo Newton per cubic meter. So, ito is under siya ng surface tension, mga capillary rise. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung depression of mercury at 20 degrees Celsius. So, in a capillary tube. So, yung formula natin dito is H is equal to 4 sigma cosine theta and then all over gamma D. So, let's recap muna for this formula. So, ang H natin is the capillary rise or depression. And then, the sigma. For sigma, this is the surface tension natin. And then the gamma or the specific weight or unit weight. So, same lang yon, specific or unit weight. And then the D is the diameter. D is diameter of yung capillary tube natin. And then the theta is the angle wherein ang angle natin is kapag water 0 degrees for water, and then ang theta naman natin is 140 degrees for mercury. Ayan. So, kapag dito sa angle natin, so kapag walang binigay sa problem natin, so either water yung liquid or mercury, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, for water, 0 degrees, and then mercury is 140 degrees. Kapag may binigay na angle, or for example, when theta is equal to 20 degrees, 30 degrees, ganun, yun na yung gagamitin for the dito sa angle. So, let's proceed sa problem natin. So, given tayo ng radius 1.5 mm. So, kapag inano natin sa diameter yan, 3 mm. So, times 2. And then, surface tension, which is 0.514 Newton per meter. And then the specific weight, which is 133.1 kilonewton per cubic meter. And then, wala siyang binigay na angle, theta. So, pero, sinabi mercury. So, ang gagamitin natin na angle is 140 degrees. So, for mercury. Ayan. So, okay naman na tayo sa ano natin. So, H, salpak natin sa formula. So, 4 times 0.154 Newton per meter times natin siya sa cosine 140, and then which is the unit weight or the gamma is 133.1, so kilonewton per cubic meter. So mag-times tayo ng 1,000 newton per 1 kilonewton. So para maging uniform yung mga units natin. And then 2 or yung diameter naman is 3 mm. Mag-divide tayo ng 1,000 mm. So, di ba ang 1 meter is 1,000 mm. So, ito maka-cancel na to. Cancel. And then maka-cancel dito. So, ang matitira na unit natin dito sa baba is Newton per meter squared. So, mag-times tayo ng dito meter squared over Newton. Then, dito sa taas din, meter squared times Newton. So, ito makancel na dito. And then, ito makancel. Cancel. And then ito. So, may isa na matitira na meter. So, ito yung magiging unit natin na meter. So, H is equal to, so, negative 3.944 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. So, pwede rin siya or yung sagot natin naka siya, mm. So, tatanggalin lang natin itong 10 raised to negative 3. So, magiging 3.944 mm. So, ito yung magiging sagot natin sa sample problem number 1. So, negative yung ito indicates na yung natin is, yung height natin is depression siya. So, tama yung sagot natin. So, yan yung sagot sa sample problem number 1.